The hot water heater. I showed you this on the truck. It's got a coil inside it. These lines right here, these are brass. These are all nice brass. Even this painted one is brass. I'm going to pop out these bolts, and that coil will slide out. Some copper there. Even up here on the top, this nut right there is solid brass. Got a circulator pump, piece of copper on it, and then a little piece of wire. That's the brand. If you see these, run for them. Even though they're not worth anything really right now because the prices are so far down, they're easy to stockpile and they're good money. I'm going to take out these bolts and I'll show you what it looks like in a couple minutes. Alright, this is what we got. Empty hot water tank now. Took out the wiring. The nice clean brass nuts I showed you. A little bit of wire. Solid brass. Piece of #1 steel. This is all clean. This is ready to go. I just throw it in with light iron. But that's what we wanted. Nice copper coil. Plus all 3 of these ends. I gotta hit them with the file. They look like copper and they look like brass. You look over here, looks like brass. But on this end, I don't know if you can really pick it up in the camera there, that looks like copper. So they might be #2 copper. Either way, I'm going to hit them in a couple spots with the file and see what they are actually made of and get the most for it. We got to cut this here, and we got to take these fittings out here, and this is #1 steel. Some of these old hot water heaters, this is solid brass. The old ones, nothing new, but I've had probably a dozen or so come through that have been solid brass right here. We also got copper winding that's not coated. There's no insulation obviously, but there's no coating on that copper, so if I unwind it, that'll go as bare bright. You got this little switch here. There's a couple pieces of brass in there. There might even be a silver contact. I gotta bust it open and see. And then I got one little piece 2 feet long of some BX wire. Here's the copper that's in it. Not much, but a little bit of insulated wire. We'll run that through the stripper and clean that up so we got bare bright. But this right here is definitely well over 20 pounds. That's what we wanted. So that's this hot water heater. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. You know, tell your friends about me. Come check out my channel here and see what we could do. Thanks. See you on the next one.